Okay, I finally finished my Captain America bust. I thought it came out pretty good for my first airbrushing attempt. It's not bad. I mean, I got the metallic blue on the chest. I got the red, white, and blue on the shield. I got some clear gloss on the chest and on the shield. And, I think it came out pretty good. I'll give you a 360 view here. I mean, it was a lot of fun to do. I mean, I made the print and I sanded it down. Got the print lines out as much as I could. And I think it come out pretty smooth. I had to use the paintbrush on the eyes because you can't get an airbrush on that. And a couple touch-up spots, but otherwise I thought it came out pretty decent. I still got the Juggernaut to do. That'll be the next project. That's probably twice the size as this. After that, I got the MK46 helmet, the Iron Man helmet. It's going to have Friday's voice in it, where the MK85 had Jarvis's voice. So it's going to have a female voice. So it should be pretty cool, different. It's going to have the sound effects, just like the 85. Like I said, it'll be a female voice instead. So I thought Captain America came out alright, not too bad. Okay, well, that's it for this one. Hope you enjoyed it. I like doing it. So we'll see how the Juggernaut comes out. Alright, Falcon out.